Okay, so you want to know how you want to save money at the dental office. Well, here's the secret. Go to the dentist. I know it sounds a little bit crazy. Like, what? How can I save money if I go to the dentist? Because the dentist is so expensive. Well, here's the deal. You have to go to make sure you get into a nice, healthy status. That's what you want when it comes to your smile, your teeth, and your mouth. You want to be healthy. Because when it's healthy, it's like a nice, fine sports car where you're able to actually just kind of maintain it. No major expenditure, no major tune-ups, no major enhancements, no major fixes. Just like a sports car. No, let me ask you this. You own a racehorse that's $1 million. How would you treat it? You buy the best food? Absolutely. Would you have the best stable? Absolutely. Would you have a nice trailer and take care of that horse like it was worth $1 million? Absolutely. And you'll pay for it, no problem whatsoever. Now let me make a comparison. How about if you were the racehorse? How would you treat yourself? Would you give yourself the best of everything that I just mentioned? Would you the best care, the best treatment, the best food, the best healthy food, the best living accommodations? What would you do? I reckon you should give yourself the best. And a part of do the best is that you take care of your smile and your teeth. You don't want to go and to the dentist with holes in your teeth and spend a lot of money. So what you got to do is go to the dentist, get cavities fixed, remove the inflammation from your gums by getting your cleans every 6 months at least, if you're healthy, and prevent any major things. And so when you do that, the annual upkeep is minimal compared to what it'll cost for just one tooth repair if you refuse to go to the dentist after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, however long it may have been. So, what's the moral of the story? If you want to save money, you go to the dentist.